So these two chickens have been roaming the neighborhood for a couple days now at least. We saw them walking to the mailbox back like 2 days ago, and now 3 days later and they're still roaming. We decided to try and catch them, because we thought they'd get hit by a car if they were like walking around on the front and everyone's driveway back and forth.
I don't think they're going to be with us for long. Not because we're going to eat them, but I think they're going to run away. But they're pretty awesome. Stay with us, chickens. I will give you water and refreshment.
This morning the chickens were at our front door again. They arrived with the FedEx man this morning. So much about what I do, how you like the view, honey, no money, and I got a tummy. The other day,
They're so neat. They came back to us.
Yeah.
I was worried we'd never see them again, but we're homies now. They're so cute. I didn't know chickens could be so cute. Do you love them too?
I do love them. I think this has made me want to have our own actual pet chickens to lay us some eggs.
I definitely do. They're so nice looking.
Yeah.
And they seem friendly and stupid all at once, which is very endearing.